Easy to spot accessory that keeps HERO10 Black or HERO9 Black afloat. Great for snorkeling, surfing, wakeboarding or other water activities. Wraparound design gives you access to the buttons, front LCD screen, back touchscreen and folding fingers for easy mounting. Cushioned padding adds protection. Includes a tether point for added security in extreme conditions. This easy-to-spot accessory keeps your GoPro afloat and adds protective padding. The wraparound design allows access to your camera buttons, front LCD screen, back touchscreen and folding fingers for easy mounting. Great for snorkeling, surfing, wakeboarding and more. Floaty also includes a tether point for added security. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this for my HERO10 Black. Went to GoPro official site first. It was the same price there as Amazon, except with additional $15 for shipping. Checked the Amazon GoPro store and they had it with Prime delivery, Amazon One. As far as the Floaty is concerned, I plan on using the camera handheld for waterpark fun, so no added components will sink this thing's ability to float. It doesn't come with a neck or wrist lanyard, just the Floaty, but there is a catch to attach one. I picked up some durable nylon lanyards and they work perfectly. Bring on the waterpark shenanigans.